Couple of more questions, I believe, on this practice test. We have 4 more to go. Again, if you have any questions about this, hit me up in a doobly-doo. I'm on the Google Meets just now. It's actually up and running while we talk. And you can ask me whatever you need. Email is fine as well. So there's a jar with 10 nickels, 5 dimes, and 6 quarters. If 3 coins are randomly chosen, what is the probability of choosing all quarters? So we'll once again do favorable over total. We're going to take a look at the fact that there are 6 quarters out of 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 6 is 21. And so we'll use that multiplication again. I want to get another quarter. There will only be 5 quarters left because I pulled one out, and there are only going to be 20 coins left because I pulled one out. And another quarter. So there's only 4 quarters left and now 19. What's the probability of choosing all quarters? We're going to simplify this real quick. 5 does go into 24 times, and 4 goes into 4, so those are gone. 3 goes into 6 and 21, so I'll have a 2 on top and a 7 here. So the math I really need to do is 7 times 19. Well, 7 times 10 is 70, and 7 times 9, I believe, is 63. So I'll add those two together. So I did 7 times 10 got 70, 7 times 9 is 63. I'll add those two together. On the top, I just have a 2. Adding these together, I get 2 divided by 133. So the probability of pulling 3 quarters is going to be equal to, here we go, 2 divided by 133 gives us this really outrageous number here. We'll go ahead and round that. So I'm looking for 0.01504. It's going to be 0.01504. That probability is actually 1.5%. So that's not even that's just a very fraction of a number. We moved that twice. 1.5% is a very small probability, but this is the answer that I want on the test, would be the 0.01504. It is roughly, it's about 1.5%. All right. So moving on to number 15, go team. If the odds of winning a free meal at if the odds of winning a free meal at the restaurant are 1 out of 356, what's the probability going to be? Now, keep in mind, for odds, they have favorable first, and then they put unfavorable next. And so these aren't the total number, like added together, they're the total number of ways. But keep in mind, favorable, there's only one favorable response, but there's 356 unfavorable. So altogether, there are 357, right? So this is going to be 1 out of 357 would be the probability. And if we, so this would be the probability of winning is going to be 1 out of 357. We'll go ahead and type that in right quick. 1 out of 357. Gives us another wild number, 0.002801, getting crazy. 0.002801. So again, if we move that decimal, this is going to be 0.2801. It's not even a full percent. If you had 100%, this is like just above a quarter of a tiny little percent. It's a real small number. This is the answer that I'm looking for on the test. All right, we'll move on to number 16. The class is ordering 7 pizzas. 3 of them are going to be pepperoni. 2 of them are mushroom, and 2 of them are cheese. The boxes are not labeled. What's the probability the first box opened will not contain a pepperoni pizza? Really, really simple. This is going to be 4. If I'm doing odds, it would be 4 favorable. No, 3 favorable. Nope. We don't want a pepperoni pizza. There are 4 favorable responses, 4 pizzas that don't have pepperoni, and 3 that do. This would be the odds of getting a pepperoni pizza, but they want the probability. So we're just going to say 4 favorable out of 7 total. So 4 divided by 7 gives us 0.5714, and it is going to be repeating, so I'll just go ahead and write the whole thing out. 571428. So 0.571428, and that repeats forever, and that would be the probability of scoring or not